Legally Speaking with Crocker Law.
It's common to see two people with the same injury get different amounts in settlement, even though we all expect the law to treat us equally. Cindy, why is that?
Well, when you have an injury claim, you recover for a lot of different things. There's pain and suffering, which includes how bad it hurts. There's your medical bills and your future medical bills. Not everybody with the same injury has the same course of treatment or gets better at the same rate. And another part of your loss is wages, and that's where you really see big differences from one injured person to the next. You know, some people make more money than others. You get the money you would have gotten if you were able to work. So if I break my arm, I can probably go right on doing my job because I'm a lawyer. But if I worked on the line at the Corvette plant, you know, I'm going to be off work until it heals. So she's just going to have a much bigger claim than I am in terms of wage loss.
Well, so that's wage loss. But if the injury is the same, why is pain and suffering not the same as well?
Okay, well, first of all, I'm not sure that we all do suffer the same way. If you're 18, you're going to heal a lot better than if you're 58, and that's just a fact. But also, your pain and suffering involves the whole way your life's affected, not just how bad does this hurt. And that's where I think a good lawyer can make a big difference, and that's where I think really knowing your clients well is so important, because you have to tell the whole story. Let's say you're a young mother, and I have these cases all the time, and you have a back strain, but you can't pick up your baby. That is pain and suffering. That's a huge loss for you. Or if you care for an elderly adult relative in your home and you're limited and they've been counting on you, now you've got to pay to bring somebody in to help. You know, maybe you can't mow, maybe you can't farm, maybe you can't tend your garden. There's usually more to the story. If you know your client, then you'll be able to demonstrate more pain and suffering.
Those are all excellent points, Cindy, and please join us next time for Legally Speaking with Crocker Law.